Hello kids! In Environment Studies of Class 5th, Chapter 16, Community and Comfort. Dear students, in this chapter we have read that human beings live together in society, and for security, social life and other facilities they live in group. Today we will do some things to remember and fill in the blanks. So, let's start with things to remember. And first of all, the very first thing to remember is a house made in farms out of the village is not safe. As we have read in the chapter that staying together gives a sense of security, and in a group we can face all the dangers. Next thing to remember is man is a social being who likes to live in groups. That is why families staying in the neighborhood help each other in thick and thin. Our next thing to remember is there are always some common social places at every village or city. For social functions and people staying in that particular society, they can use the building collectively. Other facilities like clean drinking water, schools and hospitals can be provided only to a housing society. Our next thing to remember is some animals also live in herds. Exactly, dear students, not only human beings but many insects also live in colonies. For example, ants, termites, honeybees, wasps, etc. Our last thing to remember is a house should be capable of facing against all the natural calamities. Kids, natural calamities are out of control. Lakhs of people become homeless due to such calamities. That is why houses should be made strong enough to face the natural calamities. Next are fill in the blanks. And our first fill in the blank is man cannot live dash. And what will we fill in this? Yes, alone. Man cannot live alone. Our next fill in the blanks is dash houses can fall during rainy season. And what will we fill? Yes, kacha. Kacha houses can fall during rainy season. Our third fill in the blank is dash is used to shift patients to hospital. What do we use? Exactly, ambulance. Ambulance is used to shift patients to hospital. Our fourth fill in the blank is dash spread after floods. And that is diseases. Exactly. Diseases spread after floods. Now our last fill in the blank is houses protect us from dash. And what is the only option left? Yes, heat and cold. Houses protect us from heat and cold. Now kids, as you know, this is time of your homework, and for that you need to do these things to remember and fill in the blank in your notebook neatly and learn them by heart.